Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth technical analysis. Currently, still on my road trip for my secondary or primary YouTube channel. And I just want to hop on because we have seen some red in the markets lately, and I want to go over what we need to watch, the levels we need to be watching, moving forward into the next week. So, let's get into it. It is Monday, April 11th. At this current point in time, Bitcoin has broken these $40,000 levels to the downside. This is important, okay? This is very important. This is what we want to see. So, as we can tell, we have this upward trend line here. Boom, 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 right? We want to see this daily candle close above the bottom of this trend line. That will indicate that there's a possibility that we are going to continue to make higher lows and follow this trend line to the upside. However, if it closes below, then this is what we need to watch. This level of support is big right here. These $37,000s. $37,000, $38,000 levels, very major. All right, so this daily candle, we want to see it close above the specific price of 40,000 United States dollars on Bitcoin. All right, if we see that, it is an indication that we will most likely see a push to the upside in the coming days as Bitcoin tries to create this new floor moving into this next week. Overall, this move is we just need to wait. We need to wait. It's looking semi-natural, okay? It looks like there's a little bit of manipulation occurring at this moment. But I won't get into that now. We will get into Dogelon Mars, which you guys clicked on the video for. Down 11.97% today. I love to see these red numbers. Okay, all of you guys who have been following this channel for a long time now, okay? A long time. You will know that whenever there's big red days like this, all right, it comes down and it holds, okay? It holds for a good little bit, all right? Patience is key, and this is why. And then as soon as it starts spiking, everybody wants to invest again, okay? Everyone wants to invest. So this is what happens whenever people aren't just holding to catch the bigger move. And they're trying to trade these little swing trade moves. Swings being like 1 to 2 month or even 1 to 4 week moves. Okay, so right now I'm about to draw this Fibonacci level out. We are approaching these 0.786 levels on Dogelon Mars. We want to see some buyers step in, push us higher on the lower time frame. So we're going to drop down to these 3 hourly candles. It's a nice representation of what's going on the macro scale, as well as the micro scale. So we are seeing a bunch of doji candles forming on these 3 hourly candles, which indicates that neither buyers or sellers are stepping in to move the price higher or lower. Now, if you draw out this range, we are currently in a downtrend. Okay, we are currently in a downtrend. Now, as we see these doji candles, this indicates that we are also following this downtrend trajectory. We will most likely see a pushback higher to the ups of these 8-7 levels, okay? This is a range. Now, I don't normally trade on downtrends, but this is a very, very solid range that we are in, and it is a good representation of the levels that we need to be watching. So, on the downtrend, these 886s are the levels that we would like to keep our eyes on. On the flip side, we would also like to keep our eyes on these 8s, 804s. Why there? Why there? Why there? When in doubt, look left, okay? Boom. You see this support here and resistance there? And if it breaks to the downside below, then we want to be watching these 756s, okay? So, this is what we're looking at in the next 3-4 days. All right, 3-4 days we will see most likely this bounce back higher. if we see a floor get put in here, a floor meaning the buyers step in and don't allow it to go any lower than these 777 levels, we will come back up, test the top of this range, and from there we got to watch closely. If we break out, it's a good time to add position. All right, as it comes to this next level of resistance, we want to see how it reacts as we approach these levels. Are the buyers stepping down? Are the sellers getting stronger? If so, you might want to scale out of your position. Or is it doing the opposite? Are the buyers stepping up and pushing it even higher with more volume? Okay, we are indeed seeing a little bit more volume here than we did in the past few hours. So I will keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, I just thought I should hop on, check the charts for you guys. I haven't posted in a couple days because I've really been just traveling, man. I'm just traveling, living life. And, the markets aren't really going crazy right now. We're seeing a little bit of a retracement, but it's very natural. Nothing to worry about. And, we've seen this over and over. It's just a matter of time, guys. It's just a matter of time. And we are going to catch this 20x move, get out right at the top 80 to 100% of the move, just like I did with Shiba Inu, using the same tactics, but different coin. All right, different coin and different time, different market sentiment. It's going to be amazing. I've done it numerous times. Now, all of you futures traders, listen in close. All right, those of you who want to learn how to day trade, all right, meaning make $300 within 30 minutes type trading. It is very important that you listen to this, because if you are serious, then I need you to shoot me a text at 850-376-0889. That is my personal crypto number, all right? So, don't abuse it. However, I have started futures again, okay? I have started trading futures again on the side, and I will be going, I'm thinking about starting this is not for sure, okay? This is just a thought. I'm thinking about starting a live group chat to where I share my screen to where you guys can see what I'm doing on the futures markets. You guys can ask questions in real time, and you guys can learn and even trade while we're all trading together. It's like a chat. You guys can ask. I will explain to you what I'm doing, step-by-step guide on why I am making these trades and everything you need to do in order to make money in the futures market. So, if you're interested in that, I've been thinking about it a lot, but I want it to be very exclusive. Exclusive meaning one-on-one or 1 to 5 people, okay? So, that being said, it will also take a lot of my time, and I have a lot of things to do with my time, my friends. So, it will be charged at a premium price, okay? I don't want people slacking. I don't want the people that are coming in that aren't going to listen and learn, because it's just a waste of spots. It's a waste of time. There is much more potential out there. I want the people that are ready to make a change in their life to be in this group chat, all right? If it is to happen. That being said, I hope you guys have a great day. Just chilling here in Daytona Beach. We just got here. Going to stay here for a few days and then drive back up to North Florida. And, my friends, Crypto Billionaire 69. Checking back in with all you beautiful people. Hope everything is well. Course is still 50% off. Get it now. Link is in the description. Do not wait any longer, because it won't be 50% off moving into the future. And we are in a market low. You can make a lot of money if you know the knowledge that you need to know. A lot of you guys are on the fence about getting it, and to me, it's just a no-brainer. Like if I was in your position where I don't know what I know now, it's a no-brainer, all right? $400 is nothing, all right? If you have more than $400 in the market, it is worth an investment. Anyways, Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.